Hey, what's up all you guitar players? Welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's start by reviewing this exercise. So this exercise is focused on double stops, where basically we're playing two notes instead of one, and there's a lot of musical scenarios that you can find this in. Most recently, I feel like I've been hearing this in a ton of indie pop songs, some sort of line in the background or in the foreground of, or something like that. This is really just to say that this exercise has direct applicability, and of course the scenario I just referenced is one of many in which you can find double stops, but you can associate it with that indie pop sound if you kind of know what I'm talking about with that. So this lick is based off of a D major or B minor pentatonic scale. Of course the key is based on the context, but something for example like. So we're simply doubling up notes inside of this scale. We play the first half of this lick on the G and B string, so we have 7 and 7, we have 9 and 10, we have 11 and 12, and so using those notes we basically just have a slide and a hammer on pull off. Of course, work through that at your own pace, but it is the first half of the lick. Of course, as soon as I said that, I realized that isn't really true because we have a quick finish here on the D and G strings. We have 9 and 9, 7 and 7, and then we go back to the G and B strings with 7 and 7, so that's pretty much just. And it is totally okay to work through this piecemeal. Just take 5 to 10 minutes to get yourself warmed up and then move on to the rest of your session and all the fun stuff you want to play around with. And we'll see you next time.